So this is off the secret menu. It looks so good. I asked her to give me her favorite, and this has melon liquor in it. It's off the secret menu. I will drop the name. It's hard to say. It's called Old Something. So I'm really excited. And then this is the poke bowl with salmon that I'm really excited to eat. I haven't had poke in forever. Trying this for the first time. She was correct. This is now my favorite drink here. Oh man, this is so good. Now I'm gonna try the poke. My first time ever being here. My favorite thing is salmon. So. 100%. Oh my god. This is what I needed.
Another favorite restaurant in the books.
So Trader Sam's didn't validate my parking. So now I have to go buy something. I'm thinking a mug or a shirt or something. Right now I'm just walking over to the Espionage and I'm gonna go and watch the fireworks for the first time from not inside the park. It's pretty crowded in downtown Disney right now. There's a fair amount of crowds, but everything seems to be up and running. I'm gonna watch the fireworks from out here because that's the best spot for them right now because I don't have a pass and I don't have a ticket, but I want to see them. And today's kind of just celebratory, so waiting here, waiting in the Espionage. I don't think I can do a spirit juicy. I'm gonna go check out the mugs. I don't know what to do to go over 25. Do you have any big mugs? No. Downtown Disney is super packed. I just got my ears. I've been eyeing these, but kind of got pushed to buy them because I thought dinner was going to be the only thing I needed to do, but apparently not. Last time using my Legacy Pass holder discount was for this and dinner, so saved some money. But in a few weeks I'll be able to just walk right in whenever I want to, so I'm excited. If you want to see more of these videos, I'm Tangled in Teacups. Like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will be posting a lot more of this kind of content, especially when I get my pass in a few weeks. So if you like this content, like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you real soon.